Hey everyone, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Sandy, and today on What's for Dinner we're going to be making a very simple kielbasa, green bean, and potato bake. It's going to be amazing, I promise. We're going to start by slicing our kielbasa. I love this stuff. Now, you can slice it any way you want to slice it. There's a piece of onion there. I'm going to cut it in half first, which makes it easier to work with, and then I'm just going to slice it in nice little chunky medallions. Guys, I apologize for the lighting in here, but it is terrible. It is rainy outside today. Very dreary. Added 2 tablespoons of butter to my pan, and then once that melts, we're just going to add our sausage right in there. Now I've got it on about medium. I'm going to go ahead and add my sausage in, kielbasa. Going to stir these around and brown them up. While our sausage is browning, I'm just going to cut these little golden potatoes right in half. Might be some room here. If you wanted to cut them in like thirds, that would be fine. I've already washed these, and then I'm just going to stick them right in a bowl. Cut them right in half. Once your sausage starts browning nicely, about the last couple minutes before you're ready to remove them, you want to go ahead and add, I've got about a ½ cup of diced onion here and 3 cloves of garlic. And we're just, just going to stir that in there. That's just going to allow for the onions and the garlic to soften a little and release the wonderful flavors. My oven is ready. Now you just want to add your onions and your kielbasa and your garlic right into the bowl there with your potatoes. Make sure you scrape out every single bit of that goodness. And then to this, we're also going to add 1 can of the cut green beans. You can add any style of beans that you would like. I like to use the cut green beans. Of course, they've been drained. And then to this, we're going to add just a little bit of onion powder for a little extra goodness. That is powder, okay. About a ½ teaspoon. And then we're going to add some garlic powder as well. Again, about a ½ teaspoon. And then we're going to add some Cajun seasoning. You can put as much or as little as you like on there. Some fresh black pepper. And just a little crushed red pepper flakes. Just for a little heat, you know. Just a little bit. And then we're just going to combine this. It into my little casserole dish here. Make sure you spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Now I'm going to add about 1/4 cup, maybe less. Just drizzle just a little bit of water right over top of it. So to kind of help steam it a little bit as well. And then we're going to add some foil. So this is going to go into a 400-degree oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. I'll let you know the exact time. I'm going to make some cornbread and I'm going to call it a day. All right, guys, it is done and it smells amazing. And somebody's over there in the background eating right out of the bowl. So it's right out of the baking dish. So that tells you how good it is. I love kielbasa. Let's try the potatoes. Really, really, really good. Perfect amount of seasoning. Perfect amount of seasoning. That is so good. I wouldn't change a thing. Got my cornbread in the oven. It's gonna be ready in just a minute. I'm gonna go over there and eat. I hope you enjoy this recipe. You know I love you guys so very much. You know I do. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Take care.